Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to unbox a mechanical keyboard from RedGear. So this particular keyboard comes under the series called Shadow Blade. Actually it is a mechanical keyboard and you can see that mechanical gaming keyboard tournament edition. So actually they have tried a new design strategy and new kind of structure to the keyboard, and what all the features are there in this particular keyboard. So let's take a sneak peek. So they say it has dual shot keycaps, metal body, spectrum mode. For ergonomic there is a wrist rest. Also the keys are said to be anti-ghosting and there are dedicated media keys. Along with that we have a Windows lock key, so we may not accidentally press the Windows button while gaming through this keyboard. And also the content mechanical keyboard comes with the Blue Switch Clicky keys. So the keyboard is MK853 series, or the model number is MK853. I got this for around 2500 rupees. So let's unbox this particular keyboard. Actually I have torn this packet for convenience and I have slightly opened this so that there may not be any issue while opening this. So let's unbox this. So we will only be unboxing this particular keyboard. We may not be reviewing this. We will do that in future. So this is actually the keyboard. Let's take it apart, and in the package we have this particular keyboard. It's actually pretty heavy. It comes in a packing like this, so I have removed it previously. So the wrist rest for ergonomics, a RedGear sticker, also a particular manual for this particular keyboard, and along with that we have a clipping. I think this is for the cable management purpose. So the packing or the box is pretty much decent. It have a lot of colors. So this is the complete look of this particular keyboard. It says it have lot of ergonomic features also. Along with that it has pretty much decent colors, I think. So we will be reviewing that later on. So we are just discussing the unboxing of this particular keyboard. So the switch type is mechanical, number of keys is 104, and the Shadow Blade MK853 mechanical gaming keyboard is the product name. Size is 463 length, and 220 is the width, and 42 is the height, and it's in millimeter. Oh, and the keyboard weighs around 1300 gram, which is about 1.3 kilograms. So all keys are rollover keys. Also spectrum wave backlighting with 22 spectrum modes, press function, and print screen button to change the lighting effect. Easy access media keys. So this is all about the particular keyboard. So let's take a sneak peek with this particular keyboard. Actually it is pretty much heavy. So this is the keyboard, and it has the braided cable with a strap on it, and it has this particular regulator type of thing, and it comes with a cap at this particular position, so which is pretty much convenient. So while we are keeping aside this particular keyboard, and the keys look like the old type of typewriter style. So the keys are a little low profile this side and comes projecting like that. We have a dedicated volume controller, and we can press that in order to pause and resume the media. Rotate for the means volume low or down, volume up or down purpose. So this is the basic idea of particular keyboard. This portion is pretty much metal, and rest of the part is like plastic. Actually good plastic, but doesn't have that much superb finish on top and all. That's all about just a quick sneak peek and the unboxing of this particular keyboard. We will see the review of this keyboard later on. So that's all guys. So please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel in order to get further notification and in order to watch the reviews and all. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye. See you.